How to set up a database in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to set up a database. Click the Databases option. If your website uses custom data processing apps or is designed to generate web pages dynamically, you'll likely need a database for storing and retrieving data. To create a database, click Add Database. Give the database a name and select the related site. Next, create a user for the database, which is how Plesk will access the database. When ready, click OK. That's it! The new database has been created and is ready for use. To manage the database from within Plesk, click the phpMyAdmin link. This is where you would go to manage your database. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up a database in Plesk.